Welcome to Spotted. We tell you the who, where, and what about your favorite celebrities.
Businessman Raj Kundra has been sent to police custody till Tuesday, July 27, after his arrest earlier this week in a case related to pornographic content shown through apps. The investigating officer told the court the authorities had seized a massive cache, around 40 B worth, of images and videos that were mostly of adult content. A total of 51 allegedly obscene clips were also confiscated, and police are investigating if these were uploaded to the internet. In addition, police have also found a record of financial transactions from an account in Yes Bank registered to Kundra to an account in the United Bank of Africa. Police suspect money from sale of alleged pornographic content was used for online betting. Raj Kundra's lawyer has objected to classifying content as pornography in a police case on pornographic films in which he is an accused. His lawyer, Abad Ponda, made this argument in court on July 20th. Raj Kundra, the husband of actor Shilpa Shetty, was arrested on July 19 by the Mumbai police, who said he appears to be the key conspirator in the case involving pornographic filmmaking and publishing them in apps. Ponda said it is incorrect to apply Section 67A of the Information Technology Act on sending obscene material in electronic form, with sections in the Indian Penal Code that deal with pornography, since these laws consider actual intercourse as porn and anything else is just vulgar content. Police are following what web series are doing these days, vulgar content, but that's not really classified as porn. Nothing in this remand shows that two people actually indulged in act of intercourse. If it's not actual intercourse, it's not classified as porn, said Raj Kundra's lawyer. Meanwhile, Mumbai police on July 23rd dismissed speculations and said it will not be serving any summons to Shilpa Shetty. Shilpa Shetty is one of the directors of Yarn Industries, while the police investigation is probing into Kenrin only, a police official quoted as saying by the Times of India. Shilpa on July 22nd shared a cryptic Instagram story which appears to be a page out of one of author James Thurber's books. Shilpa Shetty highlighted the portion of the quote which said, "The place we need to be is right here, right now. Not looking anxiously at what has been or what might be, but fully aware of what is. I have survived challenges in the past and will survive challenges in the future. Nothing need distract me from living my life today." 11 people have been arrested so far in the case. Kundra's close aide Ryan Thorpe, who looked after his company's IT, was arrested on July 20th. Actor Geena Vasist, out on bail, said she was wrongly arrested in the case. "Those videos are just adult videos, erotica. None of them fall under the category of porn," she said. The case was filed in February after a raid in a bungalow in Mud Island near Mumbai, where a pornographic film was allegedly being shot, according to the police. A woman who the police found during the raid became the complainant in the case, reported NDTV.